English language learning. Unlock the power of synonyms. Hello language enthusiasts, and welcome back to our video series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we're delving into the world of synonyms. We'll be exploring what synonyms are and how they can enrich your English vocabulary. So, if you're ready, let's get started. A synonym, as you might already know, is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word in the same language. For instance, the words happy and joyful are synonyms because they share similar meanings. Understanding synonyms is key to expanding your vocabulary and enhancing your communication skills. It's important to remember that while synonyms share meanings, they don't always have the exact same connotation or fit in the same contexts. The nuances in meanings and usage can influence the impact of your communication. For example, although ask and inquire are synonyms, inquire often implies a formal or polite context. Learning synonyms is a fantastic way to expand your English vocabulary. When you learn a new word, try to learn its synonyms as well. This will not only enrich your word bank but also help you understand the subtle differences and nuances among similar words. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice. Next time you're reading a book or an article, identify a word that you're already familiar with. Then, find its synonyms using a thesaurus or an online dictionary. Consider the slight variations in meanings, and try using these new words in sentences of your own. It's a simple yet effective way to broaden your vocabulary and enhance your language skills. That's all for our video on synonyms. Remember, mastering synonyms can open up a world of vocabulary for you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll find your English skills growing every day. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll delve into the world of antonyms. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.